like this is a reference of document. Also, I'm sharing this link. If is anybody having any problem, yeah, please go through this reference documentation also. Fundamental.
And maybe even if you need in-depth thing, you can go to the corresponding toolbox or Simulink page. You can get a lot of documentation and help regarding the functionalities there.
Correct, sir. Correct, sir. Thank you, sir. Like, sir, with your permission, can I share this link, sir, so that everybody able to this what are the courses available, so they will come to know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No problem.
Yeah, dear all participants, I'm sharing that link. So once you open the link, like the list of courses is available. So please click this link. The once you click on this link, there is showing the MATLAB and Simulink all-round trainings is there. So these are all are the free of courses. Maybe depends on your depends of area of interest. Maybe if you're the toolboxes, you can finish anytime whenever you have the free time. This is completely online. Is not required to MATLAB software in your laptop or maybe PC. So directly you can through that it everything is working in the cloud only. Only thing is required only your MATLAB account. Maybe that is on your personal email ID. If you have the office email ID, like means college email ID, you can log in the college email ID also. If you are accessing any difficulties there, yeah, I'm asking to feel to free. Directly you can contact to me. So once again, I'm sharing my contact number to everyone. If is any problem. Sorry, yeah, this is my email ID and contact number. If you have any doubt to accessing the MATLAB software on-ramp courses or any specific doubt, yeah, please get back to me, no problem. Not only like MATLAB, you have some any other doubts out of MATLAB. If, for example, is tomorrow you're using in Simulink, or maybe somebody is asking DSP application or signal processing application, yeah, I'm ready to help out you, no problem.
Maybe a couple of minutes. We'll wait for any questions.
Yeah, no issue, sir. No issue. I'm ready to that. Otherwise, like maybe yeah, I'm opening that one more page to MATLAB's web page. This is maybe you can get it. This is the latest software. It is a MATLAB 2021.8 is the latest one. So go through this page. So here maybe as Ashok sir said, like there is a detailed documentation is there. When you click on the toolboxes, you will get the like what are the new things is there in that. For especially for student, they are giving some documentation for better understanding what is a camp advice license, how to check the student usage. I think yes, see. Yeah, this is a like a MATLAB campus license. I think MATLAB is created one page. MATLAB campus license. If you have anything, I think sorry, just a minute.
I think this is the page, sir. I have posted in the chat box.
Sorry, sir. Yeah, thank you, sir. I think some, yeah, this is the page, as Ashok sir said, this is you have the campus-wide license. So there is in the name of your college and the MATLAB Simulink it is there. Yeah, if you need any installation help, you can click on you get the support here. If you want to some courses, so here is there get the free access to online courses. Go for is a explore of this. So this is a courses is available MATLAB and RAM. Is a 2 hours. And I think you have some lot of courses is there, sir. I think solving nonlinear, these all other courses available. So deep learning, machine learning, state flow, image processing control, safety. These are the courses. Deep learning, yeah, lot of courses is there. As Sir said, Ashok sir said the link. That is a complete talking about your campus-wide license. Dear participant, use this link and go to feel free to create your account. If it's any difficult, you can contact me anytime. We will help out you. And if you want to specific of the product on maybe the related project thing, then you have click on the getting started. So here lot of documentation it is available on the website. It is freely available.